Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench, trying desperately to figure out why I have this pine lumber. I have 3x3s, 4x4s, 3x6s. Some have blue stains, some don't. I have no idea. My Wayback Time machine isn't telling me what my plan was for this wood. So, in another video, short video, I showed you the mouse nest and the mess that they make. So I was curious how deep the staining from mouse pee and poo goes. So I've got my 4-plane set up here, and we're going to see. Understanding that it could contain viruses, hantavirus to be more specific. Now I'm thinking, when I set this wood aside many years ago, it was for some form of table leg. And if it had stains or imperfections, it would have been painted or stained or flame treated. So we're getting down below that stained area. So that's about it. Maybe just one more pass there. So that side is now clean. Remember, there was a big old stain in here? So that's gone. Now we've got a little bit of staining here. There we go. Now that's clean. So just because mice and rats pee and poo on your work doesn't mean you have to throw it away. But there is a defect in this area. There's like a crack. So I don't know what that will become. And I've got a lot of this dark staining And over here we've got blue staining. And I don't know what we got on that face. So I don't know why I was saving this wood all these years. It's not like it was valuable. No, nothing special. So this will join its friend over here on the discard bin. That'll go out in an area where I have people come and pick things and I sell them cheap and out they go. Yeah. So how long do we have to save mediocre to low grade wood? I'm sorry. I can't remember what I was thinking. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your shop. Get rid of your low grade wood. Walter out.